This is Mr. Doyle from the Gaucho Library at El Capitan High School, and this screencast is going to be a very short one. We're going to talk about proper file management and the magic of folders in Google Drive. So I'm looking in my Google Drive and I've started creating documents. The problem is that this list is going to get very long very quickly because you're going to use your Google Drive every day in every class. So what we want to do is we want to create folders to organize our files. And when I go up to my drive here, there's a little black arrow, and if I click on that, it shows me all the folders nested under my drive, and right now the only folder I have is for my 20% project. So what I want to do is I want to create a folder for each of my classes. So inside Drive, I'm going to click on Create Folder, and whenever you're working in Google Drive, Google Apps for Education, you want to remember that you're going to be using this for your entire high school career, so you want to think long term. Don't name your folder first period because you're going to have a different first period next year. Don't even name your folder English. You want to be more specific. So I'm going to call this English 9, and I'm going to create it. And then you're going to go through and you're going to create folders for all your classes. So I'm just going to do a couple more here. And I'll do one more for leadership class. And you would go through and create all 7 folders or 6 folders, however many classes you have this year. So now I've already got some files made. What I want to do is get these files into the proper folder. So in Google Drive, I would click the little checkbox next to the file I want to move, and this one is Biomes of North America. I want this one to go into my Life Science folder. And there's actually 2 ways to do this. The first way is to check the box and then click on the folder icon at the top and then choose the one you want. So that will go into the Biome folder, or the Life Science folder. And you'll notice it disappears from the main list here. So my car wash tickets I want to get into my leadership folder, and another way to do that is just to click and drag up to the leadership folder right here. Okay, and you notice that one disappears also. And then I'm going to take Romeo and Juliet and I'm going to drag them into my English 9 folder. Okay, so now when I look at my drive, all it's going to show me is the list of folders. Then I can go into my English 9 folder and I will see the Romeo and Juliet paper there. You can create folders within folders, so all I have to do is be in the English 9 folder and I can create another folder to go inside that. So if I'm going to have lots of projects in one class, then I want to have lots of folders within that class. Okay. And that's basically it. That is folders quick and dirty. If you have any questions, come and see me in the library and I'll help you out.